Hey everyone, I am Camille P. Posadas and I will discuss the sum and difference of two angles. And this is the formula. To find the cosine alpha plus beta is equals to cosine alpha, cosine beta minus sine alpha, sine beta. For cosine alpha minus beta is equals to cosine alpha, cosine beta plus sine alpha, sine beta. And for the sine, alpha plus beta is equals to sine alpha, cosine beta plus cosine alpha, and sine beta. And for sine alpha minus beta is equals to sine alpha, cosine beta minus cosine alpha, and sine beta. Let's look the example. And this is the example. Number 1. Find cosine 105. To find 105, it is cosine 60 degrees plus 45 degrees. Remember that the cosine is x and the sine is y. For example, square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. This is the cosine and this is the sine. The coordinates of cosine of 60 is 1/2 and square root of 3. So we will use the cosine alpha, cosine beta minus sine alpha, sine beta. And the coordinates of 45 is square root of 2 and square root of 2. Let's solve. 1/2 times square root of 2 minus square root of 3 over 2 times square root of 2 over 2. Multiply. 1 times square root of 2 is square root of 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Minus square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 2 minus square root of 6 all over 4. And this is the answer. For the example number 2, sine 15 degrees. We will use the difference of sine. This is sine 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. The points of 45 is square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. The points of 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. And let's solve. The sine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. And the cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Minus the cosine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2 times the sine of 30 is 1/2. Then multiply. Square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Minus square root of 2 times 1 is square root of 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4.
I have a question then.
Square root of 6 minus square root of 2 is equals to 4. I over 4. Then, the number 3 is sine 75. The sine 75 is sine 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. The ordered pair of 45 is square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. And the 30 is square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. Let's use the sum of sine. Square root of 2 over 2 times square root of 3 over 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 times 1/2. Then multiply. It's square root of 6 over 4 plus square root of what? 2 over 4. Then add square root of 6 plus square root of 2 all over 4. Hope you learn my lesson. Thank you.